cooking for my family, for my friends. Always happy, always laughter. Let's get together for a meal tonight.
Watch till the end of the video and let me show you how to do them as well. Serve them with espresso coffee. I know I get excited. First thing we'll do is we'll slice the bacon. Now, I don't have streaky bacon because I don't like the excess fat, even though I know that's all the flavours there. So we'll just slice it. We're gonna cut it into little pieces. We'll fry the bacon next. The mushrooms are stuffed. They're ready to go in the oven. The oven is up to temperature, 170 degrees centigrade for about 30 minutes. Here's my mushrooms. Personally, I can't wait. Anyway, I get excited. I am going to put this in the oven now. Okay, the question is, are you ready now to cook this yourself? If you've watched this far, you are. It's an easy recipe. It's a delicious recipe. Your family will love it. Your friends will love it. You will love it. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, goodbye for now, Alex. Here we go. No, cut. Start again. Hook to action. There we go. Mushrooms are done. And a nice, beautiful espresso coffee. I know I get excited. Okay, and action.
Easy, delicious cooking for my family, for my friends. Always happy, always laughter. Let's get together for a meal tonight.